Hi there, this is your senior techie John. Today I want to share with you how I saved a lot of money by cutting the cable cord. There are several things you need to consider before you cut the cord. Do you have home internet? If not, all you're going to be able to do is use an antenna and get your local channels. Otherwise, you're going to need to get home internet. Is your email through your cable provider? In other words, does your internet address end with whatever the name of your cable provider is? If it does, you need to get a global internet email, such as Google Mail, Yahoo Mail. Globals are very nice in that they let you do things from anywhere in the world on any computer, mobile device. Next, what types of programs do you like to use? Do you like sports, news, TV series? All that's important to know where to go with your next steps. Next, what alternatives are available? Well, there's always free TV. Yep, you can still get free TV. You can either use an antenna and get all your local channels, or you can get free apps on your TV, on your mobile devices, to where you can watch TV totally free. Maybe not the things you're really wanting, so you may want to look at other alternatives. Another alternative is a paid streaming service. Legal paid streaming services, such as Yahoo TV or Peacock. Those are great ones that's out there now that will give you just about everything you'd normally get with your cable TV at a lower price. And then there are the paid streaming services, streaming that are just illegal as all get out. They have thousands of channels. They have all your pay-per-views, all your sports packages, all your movies packages, but at a very low cost. But it is illegal because they are grabbing stuff and giving it to you through illegal means. I don't recommend them, so you're on your own on those. Next, what devices do you need to use? Fire sticks are good. You can do a lot of things with a fire stick. Roku is another one. Not a little bit more limited what you can do with the Fire Stick. Or a smart TV. All three of these are good alternatives, and you can also use a digital antenna for all your local channels. I'm going to cover all this and more in my upcoming videos. Please click subscribe below, and I'll see you later.